It's Bitcoin versus gold. Why did this stand out to you?
Well, it's not just because Bitcoin. Certainly, I'm a big fan of that. But what I thought was interesting about this, what we've seen all year is both Bitcoin and gold have trended in tandem for a good portion of it. And so this week we saw the same thing. Gold came off and Bitcoin came off. Dollar was stronger. But what's different about this, if you expand that chart or you kind of move back and look at what happened earlier in the week, this is Bitcoin in orange and gold flat. So Bitcoin's up about 17% over the last 10 days or so, where gold is down. Why is that? Because China came out and said, we are going to embrace blockchain at this point in time. People have taken that to mean that potentially cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin are going to benefit from that. So the point is, don't be fooled by gold and Bitcoin going down. They appear to be decoupling at this point in time.
There's also a story that China was now going to allow Bitcoin mining.
Yes.
And it wasn't going to be a prohibited industry. And I was wondering I couldn't figure out if that was going to be bad for Bitcoin or good for Bitcoin.
No, I think it's very good for Bitcoin. Okay. There's two things that are very good for Bitcoin. One, that the fact that they already have the mining in there. It's been going on for a while, but now it's not a prohibitive activity. The second thing is they're likely going to license cryptocurrency exchanges in Hong Kong, some of them being Chinese exchanges. So those two things are probably fairly bullish for Bitcoin at this point.
Investors who allocate a certain percentage to gold, you still believe that digital gold is a way to go and should be right in there with the portfolio?
Yeah, absolutely. It's got the same investment thesis with an asset that's much more volatile with much more upside. So it's only a fraction of the market cap of gold. It's just got a lot more upside in Bitcoin.
Quickly on gold, this is the biggest